It's about to be my, yeah, shit. It's about damn time, damn.
I haven't felt the heat in like, yo. Okay, it was hot in Atlanta though, I won't lie. But like this type of heat, no. I was doing so good with time, then bam, load shedding. Oh my gosh, this is something that I totally forgot about, and it definitely humbled me. Like, I'm not okay, like I'm not grand. Now I'm out here trying to bend over backwards. On top of that, like roaming on my phone isn't trying to work. I don't even understand why. Everything is pissing me off. Not today, Hi. Bonjour. I just realized I didn't even show my hair. You know, we're just girls and we're getting ready, so if you see clothes, mind your business.
I mean, yeah.
I'm not icy no more. I'm Goldilocks. I'm
Icy locks.
Ooh.
I know that niggas envy me. I'm the MVP. Used to be a federal general, now I'm a VIP. Everything bust out a nigga, bust out a ear. I'm busting down her wrist next, cause I've been chosen. She was never about it, but these days I've been her over. Talking about it. You ain't even about this life, I say you joking about it. To the paper on the I was really always gonna bust down a nigga, bust down a ear. As I said, I'm here with her, can you be
Two tap in.
to the mic and I can get
Double whammy.
Let that boy do one more song, that's what the fans just said. And I was in contact on song that night, ain't had no tape. How the fuck you talk about me? You ain't had no tape. You ain't never gonna understand this, you ain't been through shit.
We are not affiliated. We're not.
Close my eyes and body spit. Off my red feet. But they had racks on me, that shit was the person. I had a touch with King, I was really a peasant. Hey, when they had swag on me, that shit was a lesson. Hey, I dripping down one. Yeah, I know that bitch don't want me. I used to have the rose with me, but I was really always gonna bust out it. Bust out it, yeah. I know that niggas envy me. Shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your dress. Bust out it, nigga. Bust out it, yeah.
Guess our favorite song.
Just guess. And I promise you it's not this one. It's half past back here.
We gotta go. We gotta go.
Y'all, this is fine.
Swear.
Promise. Swear. Promise. Swear. Promise. Swear. Promise. I'm trying to tell you. Promise. Swear. Promise. Swear. Promise.
Okay, no, we actually gotta start getting ready. It's crunch time. We're going to swim. Am I actually swimming? No. No. Hi, Bumpets. Hi, Bumpets. How you just jumping like that? Feds. T, you have to jump again for the camera.
I'm already wet.
Nah, yeah, exactly. So step out.
If you slip and fall into like a lake or something.
A lake is crazy.
Yeah, yo, a lake like
It's sick. You like bobs too much.
and there's a bit
Random, but I feel like it's a need to go. Low key. Yeah.
maybe I should have removed that a long time ago.
Do it to lie.
a body of water that's not a pool. Or maybe you are
I
walking
have
here, it
a
was wet
fear.
and then
I have a. Okay, I don't want my camera to overheat. That's why I put it in this shape. Oh no, bro.
it's not gonna be cold. Okay.
Hello. I love my friends, guys. I love my friends, guys. It's by the towels. Oh, towels. Should I get it?
One, two, cheers.
Drink your water.
Stay hydrated.
Europe.
You see this ice, you see this ice, you see the material, yeah.
That's
Condensation on the outside, giving 3 a.m. water straight from the source itself.
3 weeks later.
Why am I crying? Good morning. Tish, 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 tish. It's like, I think like a whole week since I did my hair. But it was not easy, let me tell you. I won't lie. I got lost in this woods, but like, now I'm recouped. Oh, I wanted to say though, I wanted to do my lashes by Sister Marley. Her name is Boucher. I wanted to do my nails, lashes by her, but she lives so far. Oh my gosh. Like, damn, like, and her lashes always look so good. Like, the sister she does on people. So now I feel like low-key FOMO because I want to look that good too. So I just did like clusters. I don't know. I'm not happy with them though. I wanted to like actually do my lashes, but it's cool. It's not that deep. I'm going to do my nails today in like 2 hours. So I'm gonna go start getting ready. And then I'm gonna tap in. Bello is performing today. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog that, to be honest. Maybe I'll put like a little, like few clips.
Boy, Bello Salo. Alright, when I say Bello Salo, you say hello. Bello Salo. Hello. Yeah. You say, what you say?
I don't know if I'll take my camera out to those ends, but there we go. Still gotta take your vitamins. Right now I'm not doing schoolwork for real, so I'm not taking like your lion's mane, your L-theanine, what else? Ashwagandha, hiking. So I just got probiotics, fish oil, fenugreek, and multivitamins. And that's what I've been taking for now. I just finished getting ready. I don't know. Today I feel like, I don't know how I feel, but I don't feel up to 9 for real. So I'm just gonna put on my glasses, probably tie my hair up with like in a little style and get a move on. 7:40. before y'all see all my notifications. 7:40. The weather today, it's not hot, it's not cold, but you can tell like it's probably gonna rain or something like that.
Where is my hair tie?
I'm so mad at myself because I keep losing these now. So I'm just wearing these pants with the zip up, a little blue top. I don't know what shoes I'm gonna wear, but yeah. Oh, I'm also supposed to see someone today. I don't know if I'm going to do that for real though. But yeah. So, I just did my nails. It looks better on camera in my opinion because I really want the shade of pink, but it's okay. Like I don't wanna be doing too much or anything. I'm so tired, which is actually so crazy because I've been sleeping. I don't sleep like this, but I'm sleeping. Anyways, I'm just making noodles in the microwave. And then I'm just gonna take a nap. I'm supposed to be seeing my shorties today. I think I will. I don't know. This maintenance week is like such a boring one. I think I like my hair. I think I like my nails. Like I don't know for real. That's actually quite irritating to be honest. Cause it's like, come on bro, it's on you. Like I should like, oh, I just missed it. I should like it. But anyways, I'm a catch out.
She doesn't want to get in, bro. And I'm telling her, just put your body in.
Hello, I'm afraid of the cold. Get a load of this guy.
I know it's stupid to be